Hello and welcome to this Tan Delta video. In this episode we're going to look at the basic functions of the SENSE-2 Insight feature. In this demonstration we're going to use an Android device, however Insight can be accessed using any Wi-Fi enabled device with a web browser. This includes mobile phones, tablets or personal computers. On whichever device you use, select the Wi-Fi options and connect to the Wi-Fi network created by your display. By default, this is set to Tan Delta OQDE, but it can be customized in the settings function. If prompted, enter the default password found in the product user manual and click Connect. This will create a direct connection with the display over a local Wi-Fi connection. Once you have established a connection, open a web browser and navigate to the IP address for this display. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code on the front of the display, which will take you directly to the Insight landing page. From this landing page, you can view the sensor readings, including temperature and oil condition, as well as reading serial numbers, firmware revisions, and network details. Selecting the data log menu will automatically trigger the data logs to be fetched from the display. Once the data logs have been fetched, they can be downloaded as a CSV file to be used offline. The settings menu gives you access to change or fine-tune the limit values for the oil condition and the oil temperature used by the display event codes. This will allow you to customize the display to precisely match your application. In this menu, you can also set some of the display settings, including giving the display a new device name, which is used to identify the local Wi-Fi network it creates. In addition to this, you can also clear the data logs if you require, clear the settings back to factory default, and reset your logs following an oil change. At the top of the settings page, you can change the units that the display shows on the screen. This does not change the units shown in the Insight function. These can be switched easily while in the Insight browser by using the unit switcher on screen. Thank you for watching. Please check out our other videos for more information on Tan Delta products.